welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you know, this is my top 5 fragrances from my November tray. So I cannot believe that we are finished with November. Clock that T. T that clock. No, clock that T. But I cannot believe that November is done and we are doing top 5. So that's seriously crazy. But let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first up, oh my goodness, this was such a beautiful combination, and one of these fragrances was not on my tray. Yeah, I know. But I was doing some layering combos in this season. So I have been layering quite a bit in this season, and one of the combinations that I did throughout the month, and I was testing it out to see if it would be my Thanksgiving scent, and it was a winner. Okay, so from Kayali, yes, Vanilla Royale Sugar Patchouli Chef's Kiss. Okay, but I paired this beautiful fragrance with Jo Malone's Ginger Biscuit. Like the spice, the cookie, I always call this like a sexy cookie, but this was such a good vanilla chocolate chip, I mean, fall spice fragrance. This was so good. My friend even said that she smelled me when I came in the room. This combination, so good. I would highly recommend if you're looking for something with vanilla, but also something sweet, a little spice, a little kind of fall spice to spice up your life or whatever you want to do. But this was such a great combination. Highly would recommend, but it had to be on my top 5 because I was wearing this beautiful baby down, okay? And this is, really good with pairing, but this by itself, wow, I did not know how intense this really was until I started getting compliments, okay? Because sometimes Kayali fragrances, they might say intense, but they really are not as intense as you would think. But this one, true to the intent statement. So good. Love this vanilla, sugar, kind of spice, chocolate chip cookie fragrance. No, this was so beautiful and good. I would absolutely highly recommend. Another beautiful Kayali fragrance that is in my top 5. Yeah, Velvet Sental from the Wedding Collection. Listen, this kind of jasmine tea, believe like sandalwood is in here. This is such a good woody, white floral tea fragrance, and pairing it with a lot of other fragrances that might not be, like deep or heavy. But if you wanted to add a deeper profile fragrance, this is great to pair with any fragrance. To be honest, I had a time, and this was so good. So my girls that love a good woody, but still you want to be sexy. You don't want to be woody masculine, but you want to be a woody sexy. This is what you need, okay? Because it has that jasmine, so it does brighten it up. I love this. This was such a great fragrance. It had to be on my top 5. So if you're again looking for something to deepen up your fragrance for the season, this Velvet Sental from Kayali, the Wedding Collection, very good. A very good contender to definitely be a part of your deeper wardrobe. Next up, an oldie, but definitely a goodie. Oh my goodness, Instant Crush. I kept reaching for her. This was so easy. Like, I forgot how beautiful and great this was and how easy reach this was, really, because I dressed this up, dressed this down. I wore this quite a lot. I must have missed her. I wore Instant Crush quite a lot. A high percentage of my month, this is what I was wearing, and I just combined it and did combinations and layering and different things. But this was so good. So if you have instant crush and baby was sitting in the corner, dust her off, because I know we don't talk about her as much. Instant crush from Mancera, I know we don't talk about her because she is like old girl, old foundation, but bring some of them out because you might find a new appreciation or a new love for some of your back in the day fragrances, okay? But she is still good. I loved it. It was almost like, how Baccarat 540 is like a good foundation fragrance, very easy reach, you don't have to think about it. It was almost like that, but it just took it up a notch because I felt like this stuck to me a lot longer than MFK Baccarat 540. I felt like this lasts a lifetime for me, especially on my clothes. I kept smelling it, which made me want to wear it even more. So this beauty was so good for this season. And it had to be on my top 5 from my November tray. Next up, one that I paired a lot with because I just wanted this cherry note. And it was so good. Okay, now did it last? No, it didn't last me a lifetime. But it was a very great pairing fragrance. And I am talking about Finery, Not Another Cherry, okay? This was such a great fragrance to pair a lot of my fragrances with. If I wanted a cherry note, like a fruity note, this is what I was grabbing for. Because in the fall season, you might not grab for the strawberry fragrances, strawberry noted fragrances, or I don't know, you might not grab for, I don't know what you ain't grabbing for. I mean, what other fruit do you all put away? Because y'all definitely don't put the tangerine away. I'm going to talk about me. Okay. Sometimes I put the tangerines away, the citrus notes, okay? But cherry just does a beautiful kind of replacement for a citrus fragrance for me in my eyes, okay? If I am looking to brighten up something for the fall season, I'm looking at cherry. And she looking at me. And we looking at each other. We see each other. We are on the same page, okay? So I love a good cherry, sour cherry, cherry, whatever, okay? I love a good cherry noted fragrance, especially for the fall season. And this was so good, okay? And this is affordable, okay? So if you want to get your hands on it, I know we're not shopping at the Target, but maybe you'll find it on Amazon. Maybe you can find an alternative, okay? But cherry notes are very great, especially the ones that may not last a season, right? Because I don't know if I want to smell cherry. I might. Anyway, I may not want to smell cherry throughout the entire day. So I can appreciate just a lighter cherry or sour cherry note that doesn't last all day. But maybe I pair it with something instant crush that lasts a lifetime, okay? This might settle back and be the background singer, but this beauty is doing it for me, right? So if you're looking for a fruity, all that to say, if you're looking for a fruity fragrance to pair in this season, I would consider a cherry noted fragrance because it's really good. I enjoyed myself. And last but certainly not least, a beauty. Always, it has to be a part of my top 5. Every time it's on the tray, I use it a lot. Even the dent, I'm looking at it now girl, you might want to settle down. And that is Blanche Bette from Aliquis Imaginaire. Look at that. It's a problem. It's so pretty and creamy and marshmallowy. It's such a, what do I always say, a fantasy type of note. It is. It just reminds me of unicorns and fantasy and something that's not real. Like this fragrance is like not real, because how are you like this very creamy, milky, latonic beauty, but still be powerful? It still makes an impact. It's hard to make a creamy, latonic fragrance be pretty and impactful. And Aliquis Imaginaires Blanche Bet does that. Leaves a scent trail, okay? Compliments all day, okay? Even the people that don't like me, compliments all day. They can't help themselves, okay? So if you want your haters to hate, get you some Blanche Bet. That's what your sis say. Get you some Blanche Bet. Aliquis Imaginaire. I mean, don't get it because of that. Who cares about the people? Anyway, Blanche Bet's Aliquis Imaginaire, totally 100% great. A great fragrance to have in your wardrobe. Compliments all day, sis. All day. And you will smell beautiful, put together. I don't care what you wearing, okay? Sweatpants and below, okay? Low expectation. Put this on, exceeds expectation, right? It takes you from looking crazy to looking like, I'm confused. You smell put together, but you're looking a little busted, disgusted, right? You know, this just does it, okay? It almost puts on like a facade, you know, like a mask. Yeah. So mash yourself up with Blanche Bet Aliquis Imaginaire. So good. Had to be on my top 5. It is amazing. For real. For real. Moving on. Well, that's all, fam. For my top 5 for my November tray. Hey, what were you rocking and rolling with November? I know it just seemed like we had a short month. It was here and it was gone. And now it's Christmas time, okay? So I want to know, what were you wearing? What were you rocking and rolling with for Thanksgiving? Tell me all the tea in the comments, okay? Well, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, of course. And make sure that you're good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Tell her. Well, fam, that's all. See you next time. All right. Love you. Bye.